Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to bold text Instagram bio. It's quite a simple process. If you're here in your Instagram bio and you want to make this text into a bold font, it's quite simple. Just come here, click on edit profile, and once you have your bio, quickly copy the whole thing. Once you've copied it, you can go ahead and paste it on a third-party website where it will convert this into a bold text. You go to your browser. Once you're here, you can search for bold text generator. Once you search for that, you can click on the first link that pops up. It's by LingoJam. Once this is done, you can paste your bio here, and it will give you a bunch of options to choose from. I currently like this one, so I'll quickly select it, copy it, go back, delete the old bio, paste the new bio, click on done. And that is it. Your bio will now look bold. And yeah, that is it on how to make your Instagram bio in a bold text. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.